Welcome to Pinoy Manabella. For today's video is all about the requirements in Canada. Coming up. Our topics is all about requirements if you are planning to apply in Canada as a skilled worker or truck driver. PO's registration form. Pre-employment orientation seminar at POEA. It's online orientation seminar with exam to get your certificate printable with PDF file. Next is educational credential. If you are college graduate, provide diploma and transcript of records. Or if you are high school graduate, provide diploma in your Form 137. Note this requirements is need by applicant, spouse, and dependent. Next is PSA birth certificate. It's government documents request to National Statistics Office. This requirements is need to provide by applicant, spouse, and dependent. Next is your certificate of training or training certificate. All training seminar that you attended like recognition, trade certificate tasting, and C3 certificate or awards to your company. Next is your SSS record. Just log into your SSS account and screenshot your employment history of records, contribution, and static information. I suggest to download the PDF scanner application to make PDF file your photos. Next is photocopy of your driver's license back and forth together with your CR. Next is LTO certificate, authenticated. To get it to LTO main office only, and you need to authenticate in DFA or Department of Foreign Affairs. Next is NBI clearance. Issued in the last 6 months. Requirements for applicant and spouse. Next is your valid passport. Valid at least 3 years. Next is certificate of employment. All work experience in the past 10 years even if you're not a driver at this time. The important is your experience for being truck drivers, minimum of 3 years experience. Next is OFW information sheet. It's government document at POEA office. Applicable only for those ex-overseas employment. Next is foreign police clearance. If you are outside the country, you should get it so that you don't have any trouble to get this here in the Philippines. Next is GSIS. GSIS record if applicable. Next is old passport. For those who have any previous travel abroad only. Next is passport size ID photo. At least 10 pieces with white background. Next is pre-medical examination. Any accredited clinic. Applicant must be fit to work. Examination must have the following: complete physical examination, HIV test, Hepa A and Hepa B, drug test, chest X-ray, pro-skin test for tuberculosis, complete blood count, urinalysis, fecalysis. Next is marriage certificate. PSA authenticated for marriage only. Next is Senemar. PSA authenticated for single only. Next is International Language Testing System or IELTS, with a total band score of 5.0. And the last is resume. Update resume with recently ID picture 6 month onwards. Or resume format by your agency for abroad. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. This is Pinoy Manabella. See you in my next video.